Good morning, students. Today, our new identity. This identity is based on the sum and difference of Q. Difference of Q. In the last lecture, we studied the identity of cube of binomial. But today is the identity which is based on the sum and difference of cubes. So our first is when I am taking x cube plus y cube, sum of cubes. It is equal to, this identity is equal to x plus y, and in the second bracket it is equal to x square minus xy plus y square. You can justify this identity also. How you will justify that this is equal to this? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. How it is equal to x cube plus y cube? You can take the right hand side. Our right hand side is x plus y, and in the second bracket it is given x square minus xy plus y square. How you will justify that this right hand side is equal to the left hand side? So first I will take the x and multiply with x square minus xy plus y square, and if I take plus y, then it is equal to x square minus xy plus y square. You know it very well. When we are doing the product, first we have to multiply this digit with the this variable with the this thing, and this variable with the this thing. Okay, how we will multiply now? When x is multiplied with x square, we will get x cube. And when we will multiply x with xy, we will get x square y. And when we multiply x with y square, we will get xy square. And when we multiply y with y square, x square, we will get yx square. And when we multiply y with xy, then we get xy square. X, y को y से multiply किया, y square. And when we multiply y with the y square, we will get y cube. Now, the number which are cancelled, you can cancel it. X square y, x square y. This is positive, this is negative, and both the variable are same. This is when you write x square y or y x square, both are same. And when you write xy square or xy square, the sign is plus and minus. This is also cancelled. Now x cube plus y cube. This is your left hand side. Now you can say that your right hand side is equal to the left hand side. In the NCERT book 2.5 exercise, your 9th question is related to this identity, because in that question you have to verify that x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. You can do this question 9th, and this is the identity also, and you can verify also. When you have to verify this identity, when you have to verify this identity, you can verify like this. You will take the right hand side and take the product of your right hand side, then you will get the left hand side. 9th का second part भी same ही है. That is your second identity also, the sum of the difference of the cube. In this question I have taken the sum of the cubes, and now I am taking the difference of the cube. How it is equal to that difference is equal to x cube minus y cube, that is equal to x minus y. X square, when their minus is given, it become the plus here. Now we will solve your second question. Note down this question first. This is the 9th question and first part. And your second question is, you have to verify x cube minus y cube, that is equal to x minus y that is equal to x minus y. Here we have to write minus and here we have to write plus. जब यहाँ पर माइनस आ जाता है तो यहाँ माइनस रहेगा, पर यहाँ प्लस आ जाता है. हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? तो हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करके राइट हैंड साइड जो है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के इक्वल करेंगे और वेरीफाई करेंगे कि क्या ये जो है एक्स क्यूब माइनस वाई क्यूब के इक्वल है या नहीं. तो टेक द राइट हैंड साइड, take the right hand side and you will verify now x minus y x square plus xy plus y square. Now how you will find the product of these two numbers? So when we multiply x with x square plus xy plus y square and minus y को भी multiply करना है किससे? x square plus xy plus y square से. Then you will get x को x square से multiply करेंगे, you will get x cube. When you will multiply x with xy, you will get x square y. When you multiply x with y square, you will get xy square. And when you multiply y with x square, you will get yx square. And when you multiply minus y with xy, you will get xy square. Sign is also changed. When before the bracket minus sign is given, then the sign of the bracket will change. And when minus y is multiplied with plus y square, it become y cube, minus y cube. Now the things which are cancelled, you have to cancel x square y and x square y. Both the degree is also x square, y1, y1. Variable is same. So you have to cancel this because minus plus sign is given. And here xy square and xy square. Sign plus and minus is given. You can also cancel this. Now it is equal to x cube minus y cube. This is the verification of how x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y and x square plus xy plus y square. There is one more method, but this is the easiest method. So I tell you this method and you can solve this question by this method. Okay. Now अगर हमारे पास इस तरह से क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं तो how you will solve this question? By using this identity x cube plus y cube and x cube minus y cube. The sum and the difference of the cubes are related. If there are some question, then how you will solve that question? First I am taking the 10th question. Your 10th question is factorize 27y cube plus 125 z cube. Now you know it very well that when you take the factors of 27, it is equal to 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. It is equal to 27. It means 27 is the cube of 3. You can write like this. So how you will write 27y cube? It is equal to 3y whole cube. When you open 3y cube, it is equal to 27y cube. And when you will take the factors of 125, it is equal to 5 cube. So you will write 5z cube. You can write like this. Now this is the identity of cubes of, it is the identity of sum of the cubes. This identity, which identity you will use here? X cube plus y cube. That is equal to x plus y. In the second bracket, x square minus xy plus y square. This is the identity you will use in this question. Which identity you will use? Not the whole cube identity you will use. There is some confusion. आप लोगों को इसमें कंफ्यूजन होती है कि होल क्यूब और ये सिंगल क्यूब है. आपका सिंगल क्यूब के बीच का सम एंड डिफरेंस नाउ दिस इज द आइडेंटिटी। और कल जो मैंने आपको कराई थी वो मैंने बाइनोमियल्स का क्यूब करवाया था आइडेंटिटी, ठीक है। देयर इज टू मच डिफरेंस। सो एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब that is equal to, in the first bracket you will write here x plus y, your x is 3y and y is 5z, and in the second bracket you will take first 3y ka whole square, 3y whole square you have to do, and minus isko multiply karo 3y into 5z minus xy hai na, और again 5z ka whole square, that is equal to, again you have to open the whole square, that is equal to 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. Okay, I hope you understand this question. आपको ये question समझ आ गया होगा. I am repeating again this question. First you have to make this question whole cube. Now so 27 is 3y का whole cube and 125 is 5z whole cube. Now this identity you have to use here, x cube plus y cube, that is equal to x plus y. In the second bracket you will take x square minus xy plus y square. Your x is given in the question 3y and y is given in the question 5z. So in the second bracket you will do x square minus xy plus y square. Your x is given 3y and y is given 5z. So 3y square it is equal to 9y square minus 5 3 ja 15yz plus 25z square. This is the first identity of based on the sum of the cubes. Now second question I am taking, where the minus is given 64 m cube. Here only two questions are given based on this identity. I will give you one assignment and you will solve the assignment which are based on the sum and difference of the cube, because only two questions are given in your NCERT book. So I will give you some extra question that will help you to clarify this identity. Your second part of 10th question is 64 m cube minus 343 m cube. पहले आपको इस क्वेश्चन में ये पता होना चाहिए कि 64 इसका क्यूब है. When you make the factors of 64, तो 64 जो है 4 का क्यूब है, तो you will write here 4m cube and 343 के फैक्टर बनाओ. 343 के फैक्टर बनाओ. थ्री 343 के फैक्टर बनाओ. फर्स्ट इट गोज बाय 7, 7 4 जा 28 और 7 9 जा 63, देन 7 7 जा 49, then again 7 1 ja 7, 7 into 7 into 7, 343 is 7 whole cube. So now this identity is based on x cube minus y cube. Don't put here bracket. X cube minus y cube, that is equal to x minus y, and in the second bracket x square. When minus is given here, you will put here plus and plus y square. This identity, difference of the cube, that is equal to x minus y, second bracket में x square plus xy plus y square. Now how you will solve this question? In the first bracket x cube minus y cube is given, so how you will write this question? In the first bracket you will write here 4m minus 7n, and in the second bracket you have to write here 4m square plus multiply 4m into 7n, and again you have to multiply and again you have to take the square of 7n का whole square. Don't write like this 7n square और अगली ब्रैकेट में आप लिख देते हो 49n square. First take the whole square, 7n का whole square. So in the first bracket you will write 4m minus 7n and it is equal to 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. So your this question, the answer of this question is 64m cube minus 340n cube. You will first make the factor of 343. It is equal to 7n का whole cube. 7 को आप 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. It is equal to 7 into 7 into 7. So it is equal to 343 and 64 के फैक्टर बनाते हैं. It is equal to 4m cube. So now x cube minus y cube, it is equal to x minus y. In the second bracket you will use this identity x square plus xy plus y square. So now your question is like this and you have to convert it x minus y, x square plus y square plus xy. That is equal to 16m square plus 28mn plus 49m square. Note down this question. Now again we will do our next identity. That is equal to, our next identity is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is your last identity. That is equal to, in the first bracket a plus b plus c, and in the second bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the identity. Note down these identities in your notebook also. Your identity is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. It is equal to a plus b plus c, and in the second bracket it is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Only one question is given in your NCERT book of this identity. 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. अगर आपका इस तरह से क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, पहले आप इस क्वेश्चन को इस आइडेंटिटी में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, देन यू विल टेक द फैक्टराइज. It is equal to a plus b plus c, and in the second bracket it is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Then how you will solve this question? So 27x cube, you will take the prime factors of 27. It is equal to 3x whole cube. You have to write first a cube, then you will have to write plus y cube, then z cube minus 3 अपने आप लगाना है. A is given 3x, b is given y, and c is given z. When you multiply these three variables, 3 3 जा 9, x y z आपका आ जाता. Now this question इस तरह से बन गया आपका ये क्वेश्चन. Now this question relate to this identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. It is equal to first bracket में a plus b plus c. Your a is 3x and b is y and c is z. And in the second bracket you have to take a square. Your a is 3x whole square and b is y square, c is z square. फिर minus ab, a को b से मल्टीप्लाई करो 3x into y, and b को c से मल्टीप्लाई करो y into z minus bc, then minus ca minus z into 3x. Now this identity is again equal to 3x plus y plus z. You will remain in the first bracket. It will remain in the first bracket, and 3x square, it is equal to 9x square, and y square is equal to y square, and z square is also equal to z square. When you multiply 3x with y, it is equal to 3xy. When you multiply y with z, you will get yz. And when you multiply 3 with zx, it is equal to 3zx. This is the answer of this question. And I will take one more question related to this identity. First, note down this question. I will take one or two questions of related to this identity. Note down the extra questions. That question are related to this identity, because in your book there are only one question is there. So note down this question. Eight a cube plus 27b cube minus 90ab plus 125. How you will solve this question? By using this identity. You will see how I will solve this question by using this identity. 8a cube, it is equal to 2a whole cube, because when you multiply 2a 3 times, you will get 8a cube. And when you multiply 3b into 3b into 3b, you will get 27b cube. Now it is not the whole cube. 125 you will take here, and it is equal to 5 cube. Now I convert this question a cube plus b cube plus c cube. इसमें तो convert हो गया. अब मुझे और क्या चाहिए? -3 abc चाहिए. तो -3 अपने आप लिखा. a हमारा है 2a, b हमारा है 3b, and c हमारा है 5. When you multiply these 4 numbers, 5 3 जा 15, 2 जा 30, 3 जा 90, and a को b से multiply किया तो a b आ जाता. तो इस क्वेश्चन को मैंने पहले किसमें कन्वर्ट किया? पहले फॉर्मूला में कन्वर्ट किया, पहले आइडेंटिटी में कन्वर्ट किया. किस आइडेंटिटी में कन्वर्ट किया है? a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस c क्यूब -3 इंटू a इंटू b इंटू c, दैट इज इक्वल टू, इसके बराबर हो जाता है ये. इट इज इक्वल टू a प्लस b प्लस c. योर a is 2a, b is 3b, and c is 5. And in the second bracket, you will take first 2a square, then you will take 3b square, then you will take 5 square. A square plus b square plus c square. Then you have to take minus ab. 2a multiply with 3b minus bc. 3b multiply with 5 minus ca. 5 into 2b. Now it is equal to 2a plus 3b plus 5, and in the next bracket 2a square, it is equal to 4a square, and 3b square, it is equal to 9b square, and 5 whole square, it is equal to 25. And when you multiply 2a with 3b, it is equal to 6ab, and when you multiply 3b with 5, you will get 15b. And when you multiply with 5 into 2a, you have to write here 2a. When you multiply -5 with 2a, you will get 10a. Again, I am repeating this question. First, you have to convert this question in this identity. A cube plus b cube plus c cube. Your c cube is 125. 125 is equal to 5 whole cube. A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Now minus 3 into A is 2A, B is 3B and C is 5. When you multiply, आप जब इसको सबको मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, you will get 90 AB. 90 AB को आपको 3ABC में कन्वर्ट करना था. Okay, so it is equal to, in the first bracket, 2A plus 3B plus 5, A plus B plus C. Your A is 2A, B is 3B and C is 5. Now in the second bracket, A square plus B square plus C square. First you will take A square plus B square plus C square. When you open this, it is equal to 4A square 9B square plus 25. Then next क्या है? Minus AB minus BC minus CA. A को B से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 2A को 3B से 6AB, 3B को 5 से किया minus 15B, 5 को 2A से किया, it is equal to minus 10A. Note down this question. I am taking one more question related to this identity. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है 1 plus B cube plus 27C cube minus 9BC. How you will solve this question using this identity? आप इस क्वेश्चन को किस तरह से सॉल्व करोगे? ये आइडेंटिटी यूज करके योर 1 को आप इस तरह से लिख सकते हो 1 क्यूब, एंड B को भी आप इस तरह से लिख सकते हो B का होल क्यूब, एंड 27C क्यूब को भी आप इस तरह से लिख सकते हो 3C क्यूब. नाउ आई कन्वर्ट इट A क्यूब प्लस B क्यूब प्लस C क्यूब. कर दिया मैंने कन्वर्ट. नाउ मुझे जरूरत है 3ABC. -3 अपने आप लिखा. A is 1, B is B and C is 3C. When you multiply, आप अगर इस सारे को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, you will get 3 3s are 9BC. नाउ आपका क्वेश्चन कन्वर्ट हो गया ये इस आइडेंटिटी में. नाउ हाउ यू विल सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन? नाउ कैसे फैक्टराइज करोगे? इन द फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट यू हैव टू राइट A plus B plus C. Your A is 1, B is B and C is 3C. And in the second bracket you have to write 1 square plus B square plus 3C square. A square plus B square plus C square. And in the next आपको क्या लिखना है? AB minus AB. When you multiply 1 with B and when you multiply B with 3C and when you multiply 3C with 1. पहले आपको A को B से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, then B को C से और then C को A से. Okay, so you will get 1 plus B plus 3C and it is equal to 1 square equal to 1 and B square equal to B square and 3C square equal to 9C square. आपको होल स्क्वायर जब खोलना है तब आप ऐसे लिखेंगे. पहले आप इसे ब्रैकेट में ही लिखोगे, तभी आप उसका स्क्वायर कर पाओगे, अदरवाइज वो 3C स्क्वायर के इक्वल होगा. और ये आ जाएगा आपका -B minus 3BC minus 3C. This is the answer of this question. Now students, if you have any query regarding this identity and the topic, पहले जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था कि वो आइडेंटिटी थी the sum and the difference of the cubes. If you have any problems regarding these two identities, 3 identities, then you can ask, and tomorrow we will take 4 more questions related to this identity. Now students, if you have any doubt regarding this identity, then you can ask.